Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial we will learn about methods and we call it as functions as well. We will also learn methods with parameters and without parameters as well. So let's begin. So here is our default code and this is our main program. So we will write the code in our main program. For example, if I want to welcome Ali to my channel, so I'm writing console.writeLine and I'm writing, hi Ellie, welcome to my channel. And if I want to welcome two more people, for example, if I want to welcome Sarah and John as well, so I will simply copy these lines and simply change the name, and then I will run this program. And three lines will be printed on the screens welcoming these three people, right? So we can do this by writing the function. So what I will do, before the main program I am writing here function or method. This is the same thing. So I'm writing static void welcome is the name of the method, and then the two curly brackets are the block of the method. So I will control X this and control V in the method, right? So now we have nothing in our main program, so I will simply call this method inside of the main program, and if I run this program then I will see the same three lines. So we have done this thing by method, but we have done this without any parameter, right? So let's do the same thing with parameter now. So instead of writing the name of the person directly here, I am declaring a variable name, and this will be a parameter of the method. So in this method welcome, I am declaring a variable string name, right? So we are now using one parameter and that is called as name. So let's do this in the main program. So in the main program we only need to write the name of the person, so Ali, Sarah and John inside of the inverted commas. And now let's run this program and we should see the same three lines that we have saw earlier to welcome three people. So that's how we use methods or functions with parameters and without parameters. So if you find this tutorial helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.